Greetings students. Today we will discuss some common functions which we will use. Okay, first is auto sum option. Auto sum option is the best way to find the total of given numbers. Okay, it also provides to find average, count, maximum, minimum, etc. And you can find this option in two places, in editing group on the home tab, okay, or in function library group in the formula tab. The sum function returns the total of the range value. Okay, enter the data given in the figure. Okay, click on the cell that is E6. Where is E6? Here, E6. Okay, here we will calculate the sum of all the cells. Okay, click on the auto sum option present in the editing group on the home tab. Okay, either from the home tab option we will select the auto sum option, or a dash border appear around the C6 to D6. ठीक है, क्योंकि हमें किस रेंज तक टोटल चाहिए, C6 का और D6 का, मीन्स इन दोनों का 80 और 75 का. ठीक है, automatically the formula will enter and the result will be displayed here in E6. Okay, average function returns the average of the range value. The arguments can be range of cell number or number along with cell references. Let us calculate the average. Click on the cell E6 where we want to place the average of value. We will place the value in the column F6. Okay, here we will type the equal to sign by the function name, that is average. Then we will put the open parenthesis. Okay, then we will put the open parenthesis and select the cell C6 to D6. Okay, C6 to D6. By putting the close parenthesis symbol and entering the key, it will display as the average marks of Anuj. Okay, and max function is used to find the largest value in the range. Click on the cell F4. Here is the cell F4 and we will start the formula with the equal to sign, then the function name, that is max, and the cell range, that is B4 to E4, and then we will press the enter key and the maximum value will display in the range, that is F4. Today it is used to display the current date. This function is used to display the current date. We will write equal to today, open parenthesis, close in the cell and press the enter key, and it will display as the current date in the selected cell. Okay, these are the functions and their purposes. Sum used for sum of range, average to find the average of range, odd to return the number rounded up the nearest odd integer, int number, round a number to the nearest integer, product multiplies the value in a range of cell, round means round a number to specified digits, exponent means power, it will raise to the power of a number, sqrt means returns a square root, power it will returns the result of a number raised to some power, mod returns the remainder after a number is divided by the divisor. फंक्शन लाइब्रेरी क्या है, जहाँ पे बहुत सारे फंक्शंस हमें अवेलेबल होते हैं एक्सेल के. ओके, फंक्शंस आर कैटेगराइज्ड इन मैथ एंड ट्रिक, टेक्स्ट, डाटा, डेट एंड टाइम. ओके, यू कैन क्लिक ऑन ए कैटेगरी. इनमें से किसी भी कैटेगरी पे हम क्लिक कर सकते हैं जो भी हमें functions अप्लाई करने हैं. Insert function is one of the option in the function library group which help us to create a formula. Okay, first of all we will click on the cell in which we want to enter a formula. here we will click on the insert function button which will present on formula tab. This is the insert function button present in the formula tab. Okay, by clicking on insert function group, either of these will launch the insert function dialog box and an equal to sign will be placed in the cell. Okay, in insert function dialog box we can search for a function by typing a description for the function. For example, add numbers, it will return the sum function. कि अगर हमें नंबर को ऐड करना है तो वो हमें कौन सा फंक्शन प्रोवाइड करेगा, सम फंक्शन. और सेलेक्ट ए कैटेगरी, और हम यहाँ से कोई भी कैटेगरी सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं कि वो हमारी सम की, एलसीएम की परसेंटेज, जो भी हमें कैटेगरी चाहिए. ठीक है. बाय सेलेक्टिंग द डिजायर्ड फंक्शन then we will click on OK button and it will open the function argument dialog box where we will enter the cell reference value and click OK, and it will give us the selected result. Now how we will manage the worksheets? By renaming a worksheet. Okay, by default here are sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4 are present, but if we will want to rename these sheets, we can also rename them. By right click on the sheet, a shortcut menu will appear. Okay, here a shortcut menu will appear and here a rename option is given. By entering on this option, a blank column will be given, and in that blank column you will write the name which you want to give to your sheet. Okay, and by press entering the key, your sheet 2 will replace that particular name which you will provided. Okay, and how we will delete the worksheet? By right click on this worksheet, here is a delete option. Okay, click on this delete option and our worksheet will be deleted. How we will change color of a sheet? Right click on the sheet tab, right click करेंगे sheet tab पे and select the tab color option. Okay, ये देखो यहाँ पे हमारा tab color option given है. tab color option के arrow पे हम अगर क्लिक करेंगे तो ये वेरियस कलर्स हमें प्रोवाइड हो जाएंगे. इनमें से अगर जो भी हम कलर चूज़ करना चाहते हैं, वी विल सेलेक्ट एनी कलर ऑफ आवर चॉइस एंड इट विल चेंज इन आवर शीट. विद दिस वी हैव फिनिश्ड आवर चैप्टर नंबर 3 and in our next video we will discuss the next chapter. Thank you class.